Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video from Dev. And on today's video I'll be showing you how I do my basic cornrows during this lockdown, guys.
It's a pandemic.
So yes, we are still trying to look all cute and whatever, but yeah, so this is just me doing a very basic and simple cornrow on myself by myself. So yeah, come along with me. I decided to film it also for you guys, so I hope you enjoy this. Let's get started. So first off, I get my spray bottle and I spray my hair. Yes, I said that in my last video also, of the video where I was moisturizing my hair. I told you I always spray. I advise before you start manipulating or doing anything in your hair, you always want to spray your hair with a little bit of water. And so I did that. Also, I got in my leave-in conditioner to also apply. Guys, I love moisture on my hair. I know and I believe it does a lot of wonders for my hair. So moisture. So yes, I applied my leave-in conditioner. I combed it out. I also took in my Elan hair cream enriched with shea butter. I've done a review about this product. I already have a clip. I also have a video of how I moisturize my hair using the same product. It's already on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. An amazing product. And yes, moisture. So I moisturize my hair once again before I even begin anything. So after doing that, I then comb it, and then it's time to start sectioning the hair. So I take in my comb and then I section my hair into two big parts. That's what I start off with. So you want to section your hair into two big parts. Yes, you know, my hair is full, so you don't just want to be working with a whole lot of big hair and all. You want to be able to divide it so that you can be able to easily then walk through section by section, you know. So yes, while trying to section your hair, it might take time. Don't expect that you just put in your comb and film, you already get that perfect line. Nah, you're not gonna get it. We are not magicians, so we're gonna take our time and get the pattern that we want. Okay, so you gotta take your time. After finish dividing it, after finish the parts in your head, you then want to then comb it and then, you know, pack them into two. After you must have finished parting your into two equal sides, you take one of the section and then you start, you know, micro parting it. If I could use that word. So you want to then section your hair, you know, into like maybe the style you want and, you know, how big or how small you want. I was going for big cornrows at this moment because it's a pandemic. We are still at home, so I was like, yeah, something simple. Let me just make it all big. And after I do the my parting, then I start braiding. And this is me braiding. Now this is a very fast paced video, but if you keep watching along, you will see where I slow paced my video, and you'll be able to see how I'm able to manipulate my hand to achieve this cornrows. So you want to do what? Keep watching. After I was done with the first mini braid that I did, now I went back again to part my hair. Guys, let me just tell you this trick, that because you watch videos or you've seen how people part their hair, or you know how your hairdresser usually parts your hair, doesn't mean that, oh, when you are making your own hair you will easily get the pattern. It's not possible, because you know, you are the one styling it. You would need time, you will need to look at your mirror, you will need to check it to make sure that your pattern is neat. So don't overwork yourself, but just take your time and give yourself that time to get the right pattern you want. After you've gotten it, you want to part away the remaining hair so that it doesn't obstruct you when you are braiding in any way, when you are cornrowing. And then I go ahead to, you know, brush my hair. I also, you know, use my cream as much as possible. Guys, I moisturize, and when I do cornrows, actually I feel this is a very perfect way to be able to comb each and every part of my hair. So I take that time to actually comb my hair and apply my products into it, and then I go back again with the same routine to cornrow my hair, to cornrow the part, that part hair section that I had parted. And yeah, I just go back in to cornrows again. Guys, look how it's looking. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about the style? Tell me in the section, like, do you also know how to make your hair? Will you be trying this? Let me know. Now you can see my pattern is not looking so wahoo or banging or all of that. This was how I wanted it, and I didn't make use of any gel. I know people, like, I've seen videos of when people are braiding their hair, like they always want to make use of gel and all. Guys, I couldn't really be bothered with using gel right now because I'm like, it's not it's just the cornrows. It's just a very simple cornrows. I didn't want the gel product on my hair at this moment. I just wanted my other product to sit in well, because with the use of gel, it can cause flaking and all that, and I wasn't in for. I was not just cut out for it. So I was like, yeah, I'm not just going to use gel on my hair. And I really wasn't really bothered about getting so much perfect precision in my pattern. Yes, I did try to still get as much as perfect pattern as I wanted, but I did not stress myself so much. And yes, I'm going to stop talking and rambling right now and just leave you to enjoy the video. And yeah, remember, if you want to see the slow-paced video of how I am able to achieve this cornrow, you just got to do what? Keep watching, okay? Also, if you notice the way I'm sectioning and parting the hair, you'll see that I'm not just doing a basic straight all back. Like, I wanted to give it like a different views and style, so I decided to have it like all slanted. So you will see, if you keep watching to the very end, you will see how it's not just all from the front to the back. I kind of like curved it in the front, even though it still all went to the back, but I gave it like a little bit of curve in front just to give it that little to it, that kind of thing. But let's keep watching. Alright, so this is the slow-paced video I talked about. Now in this video, you see I had sectioned this hair, and here is me applying my moisturizer. I think this was either my leave-in or my Elan hair cream, but anyways, I applied one of my moisturizer to my hair, and I gave my hair a good comb. I combed it well and all. Then I start by braiding from, of course, the front. And yeah, so this is what I do. You get like, you take like a section of the hair, divide it into 3, and then start going in one at a time, from left to right, from left to right. That's like the best way I can explain this right now. I start going from left to right, and while going through that track, you also want to keep adding your own hair, like keep adding it into the 3 section you already started in front with. You want to keep adding it alongside, so you keep braiding and cornrolling all those parts of the hair alongside as you keep going. You also want to take your time. If this is going to be your first time of trying cornrows or braiding your hair, you want to take your time. Don't rush it. Don't see because you've seen videos of, oh, it's just how many minutes. That's not reality. So you really have to take your time while you're cornrolling your hair, and then you just want to keep going in one at a time, making sure that you're actually detangling also to the very end, so that your hair strands don't get matted at the end also. And then you just want to keep following the line that you've already parted. That's essential. You want to follow the line you've parted. That's why you need like a comb or like an hairband to hold the remaining hair out of your way, so it doesn't come in or gets in clustered, and then it kind of like roughing the part you've already created. So you want to like hold and clip the hair you don't need away, so you can be able to focus on the hair that you need for that particular line of pattern. Do you get me? Do you get me? I hope you get that. Anyways, keeping on, and then you keep braiding and braiding to the very end of your strands, except if you have something else you want to do with your strands. But yeah, so for me, I keep braiding to the very end of the strands, and that's how it looks. Yay! And we have come to the last cornrow of this hair, like the last braiding. Like, who gets excited like me also when you realize that you're on the last hair strands, or you're on the last parting of your hair? Like, you know that once you just do that thing, once you just do that hair or that braid or that cornrow, that's it, you're done with the hairstyle. Like, of course you get excited because you know your hand is already working, you have worked your hand, you're already tired. So once you're on that last one, you know, you're excited. Anyways, yeah, I get excited when I'm on like the last either cornrows or the last braids or the last strands of hair that I need to do when making hair. And yeah, so these are the last parts of the last cornrow that I needed to the last part of the hair I needed to cornrows, and this was me just, you know, achieving it. And guys, I can't remember how long this hair took me, but anyways, let's just keep moving. It shouldn't take as much as possible, except you are doing a very tiny cornrow. But like you said, it's basic cornrow, like big cornrow, basic ones. So yeah, let's keep watching. And yeah, I'm so excited. Like, guys, look at my hair already. Look at my hair already. All right, okay, that was me using my mirror to just make sure that, you know, I'm on focus, that okay, the camera is capturing everything. So that we don't lose focus of anything that
you are talking the rubbish. You are talking
okay?
the nonsense.
Right,
you are
guys,
talking
so
the thing that.
Anyway, so this is now me doing my hair, and I was done at this moment, and you can see how it is looking. You can see how it's looking. Wow, I don't know why I was doing that or why it sounded in that manner. But alright, guys, so after cornrolling my hair, what I then do next is to do what? Try to go in and moisturize my hair once again, moisturize it again, just like to the root, to the tip of my hair also. Then I go in with my Dark and Lovely hair scalp. That's like a scalp watch. So I just use that because I'm like, okay, yeah, do something to my scalp, clean my scalp and all that. It's not like my scalp is already dirty, but I just like using that anytime I finish braiding or cornrolling. Then I go in with my Moroccan argan growth oil. This is an oil, and yeah, I use my oil to seal in all the products and moisture that I've used while making the hair. It's also, like I said, it's a growth oil. I don't know if it does the work and all, but I just like using it because it's an oil and it's be able to seal in the products that I've used already. And that's the end of the video. This is how I was able to achieve my basic cornrow during quarantine/lockdown. If you've enjoyed this video so far, like if you watched this very moment, oh my god, you're an OG. Thank you so very much. Please remember to drop a message for me in the comment section. Just engage me, please. And also, if you have not subscribed, please guys, this is just the perfect moment to subscribe. If you love content like this, let me know so I can produce more of this. I can release more of this. If you have a particular style in mind, let me know. I might just be looking forward to doing that. So please engage me. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. Remember to share this video with loved ones. Thank you very much. Till my next video, stay blessed.